Good morning, students. My name is Ayushi Dubey. Uh, Today we are discuss topic programming methodology and data structure. Um, First topic are the relevant Indian knowledge system. I-case inclusions or algorithm thinking in ancient India. This section connects ancient Indian intellectual traditions to modern concepts in mathematical and computer science. First, Panele's grammar. This is a highly systematic and comprehensive grammar for the Sanskrit language. Its structure is based on set of 4,000 concise rules, sutras. It's significant in computer science because its formal rule-based structure is seen as a precursors to formal language theory and the Baker's norm form, which are used to define the syntax of modern programming language. Chandra's Shastra, Sanskrit Pravedis. This ancient text deals with the matter and rhyme of Sanskrit poetry. It uses recursive rules of describe and generate complex poetic meters for basic syllabus. Brahmagupta algorithm, 7th century CE. This refers to the work of mathematician Brahmagupta who formula defined the rules for arithmetic operations involving zero. His work was crucial in solidifying the concept of zero as a number and establishing the decimal place value notation, the number system we use today, which is the foundation of all modern digital computation, data structure, and computational method in ancient India. This topic explores how ancient Indians organized information, applied algorithm thinking, Vedic data structuring, ancient manuscripts like the Rig Veda and to be preserved and transmitted. Next topic is introduction to programming. First, programming concept. मतलब प्रोग्रामिंग होता क्या? अब प्रोग्रामिंग इज अ फाइनाइट सेट ऑफ precise instructions written in a programming language that a computer can execute to perform a specific task. Characteristics of programming. Good programming is characterized by logic, precision, efficiency, and reliability. Stages in program development: first analysis, second design, implementation means coding, next testing and debugging, and maintenance. Next topic are algorithms. An algorithm is a step-by-step logical procedure for solving a problem. Algorithms are used to solve problems by sorting, searching, and manipulating data structures. The algorithm library provides many useful functions to perform these tasks will iterators. To use these functions, you must include algorithm header file. Next topic are flowchart. A flowchart is a graphical representation of an algorithm using standard symbols to show the sequence of operations and decisions. Uh, यहाँ पर एक डायग्राम है इसका जो कि यहाँ से स्टार्ट होता है, जिसमें कि जो ये सिंबल्स हैं उसके थ्रू इसको रिप्रेजेंट किया जाता है, क्योंकि फ्लो चार्ट जो है वो ग्राफिकल रिप्रेजेंटेशन है। इसमें जो ओवल शेप है वो स्टार्ट एंड स्टॉप दिखाता है, जो रेक्टेंगुलर शेप है वो इनपुट और आउटपुट को शो करते हैं, एंड देन जो डायमंड शेप है वो डिफाइन करता है डिसीजन को। Next topic are introduction to C++ programming. This topic introduces the specific syntax and core components of the C and C++ language. Basic program structure. The initial skeleton of a program in C. This includes preprocessors, di- directrix and a main function, which is the entry point of every program. C++ is similar but uses has include IOStream and namespace data type. These define the type of data a variable can hold. Basic types include like int, float, double, character. Next topic are operators, symbols that perform operators on variables and values. Example include arithmetic like plus, minus, star, slash, mode, etc. Relational equal, greater than, equal, less than. Logical and bitwise and variables. Next topic are variables. This is a deeper dive into the practical use of variables, operators, and input output. C++. Declaration, defining and initialization in variables. Declaration introduce a variable's name and type to the compiler. Definition, a declaration that also allocates memory for the variable, like int x. Initialization, assigning an initialization value to variable when it is defined. Next topic are scope of variable, the region of the program where a variable is accessible. Local variable are defined inside a function and can only be used there. Global variables are defined outside all functions and can be accessed from anywhere. Keywords, reserved words is C++ that have special meaning and cannot be changed as variable names. Mm, Shall we start unit 2? First topic are conditional statement, if, construct, switch case, construct. First, if construct. This is the most basic conditional statement. If conditional, execute the code block only if the condition is true. If condition, else, execute the if block if the condition is true, otherwise execute the else block. Switch case construct. This is an efficient alternative to log if else if chain when comparing a single variable against multiple constant values. For loop, a compact loop structure ideal when the number of iterations is known. Syntax for initialization, condition update. Initialization runs once at the very beginning. Condition checked before each iteration. Break and continue in loops. Break immediately terminates the innermost loop. Continue, skip the rest of current iteration and jumps to the next iteration's condition check. Using nested statement, this is the concept of placing one control structure inside another. Nested loop, a loop inside another loop. This is a common for working with 2D array or creating patterns. Local and global variables. Local variables declares inside a function. They only exist and can only be accessed within that function. Global variable declared outside of functions. They can be accessed and modified from any function in the program. Parameters, the value variable listed in the function's declaration or definition. Arguments, the actual values passed to the function when it is called. Array in function, you can pass arrays to functions. When you pass an array, you are actually passing the memory address of its first element, so the function can modify the original array. Next topic is multi-dimensional array. Array of the arrays, the most common is a 2D array which can be visualized grid or table. Int matrix 3 4 for a 3 row 4 columns matrix. Code debugging challenges, given buggy C++ programs, students must find and fix the errors.